Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infinity of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2020 Lincoln Aviator. This thing is pretty darn cool. Is that what I was looking? Oh, that's your key slot. Ah, it's hidden. I like that. So, based on the same architecture as the Ford Explorer, the Lincoln Aviator is actually very different. It's powered by a standard 3-liter V6 mated to the 10-speed automatic, 400 horsepower out of this V6. Very impressive. I'm not sure why that didn't work, but I don't really care too much. Captain's chairs in the rear, panoramic moonroof. Actually, I will step back to the rear to talk about something you've probably heard about this car. Those are fake, in a way. So, if you take a look at the exhaust, it's routed underneath the pipe. So these are blocked off, and it comes out underneath. I've heard two conflicting stories on why that is. One, to eliminate exhaust fumes from entering the rear hatch, and two, to eliminate the soot from the direct injection from accumulating on the tailpipes. I'm not sure which one's the true story, but either way, I don't really care because this thing is impressive. It is just outrageously nice in here. So you'll notice you have these controls here. You're like, oh, there's buttons behind them. What is that for? Ready for this? You turn that on and these light up. And it's like, oh, okay. So when your cruise control's off, it just fits in. Now, when I saw this at the New England International Auto Show, I said, this is going to be annoying. Your Bluetooth here. I have not hit it once. Just driving, it's tucked away, so you're not going to hit it unless you're driving like this and you press. Even so, it's... There we go. Cancel. So, you have to really be trying to hit it.
Please say the name of the POI you're looking for again. If you would like
I'm not looking for anything.
Find address, say find an address.
I don't want to find an address. Cancel. Hey.
Please say
Cancel. Thank you. Oh, boy. So look at all the seat controls. You can control your individual leg extensions. So let's say, you know, you want one leg close to you. So you're like, okay, let me move that one back so I can keep my leg nice and close to me and have one extended. See, I like having the leg extensions all the way out. But look at these seats. They are massaging, because why wouldn't they be? Your drive modes were in Excite, which is sport mode. You'll notice everything in here has a whiff of sophistication. So it's like Lincoln's really trying to set themselves apart from Ford. Of course, backup camera. Now, this twin turbo 6 is impressive. Made it to this 10-speed, it's a perfect combination. This is the standard motor. There's also the Aviator Grand Touring, I believe, that adds a 100 horsepower electric motor, but this is the fastest completely non-hybrid one. And if you think about it, every single car has a battery, so people say, oh yeah, this adds a battery and electric motor. Okay. So I always chuckle when people say, oh yeah, it adds a battery. Every single car has a battery, so technically nothing's non-electric. Whatever, that's my attempt at making a poor joke. I'm tired. It's early in the morning. It's my day off. So like I was saying, this is impressive. The transmission tuning is incredible, and the power is next level. I've spent time in previous Lincolns, like MKZs, MKTs, wasn't very impressed. It definitely was a dolled up Ford. This is completely different. And if this is the way Lincoln's going, they're on to something here. I need to drive the new Navigator. I really need to get behind the wheel of one, because if this is the design language that I can expect, I will be impressed, and I'll probably like it more than the Escalade. I've also spent time in the Explorer, but the Explorer I had was a limited with a 2.3. Can you tell that the structure is the same? Yes. You can definitely, if you ignore the nice trim and the added power, you can definitely feel the underpinnings being very similar. But the second you open your eyes and you realize your surroundings, it's completely different. And it's not similar in the way the Supra, well actually, no, not really. Supra and Z4 are way more similar together. They're platform mates. This is way different. This is probably more along the lines of probably like the Lincoln Aviator and Ford Explorer. It's probably right around those lines of. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, that was an awful joke. Trying to think, maybe Kia Stinger and Genesis G70. You can. Especially the newer ones, you can tell they're completely different. Even so, those are still more, I don't know. It's similar but different. The interior is world-class levels above what it was. Like I said earlier, previous Lincolns, it's a Ford with nicer leather. And most of the leather was fake anyway. This is nice. This is really nice. So much torque. I was gonna say, when I praised this as a trade-in, I was like, wow, okay, this thing moves. And then when I read, is that an Oldsmobile Silhouette? Oh my gosh, I never thought those still existed. I thought those were all in junkyards by now. Look at that. Sorry, can you tell I love the weird, quirky cars? Oh, in sport mode, you get downshifts under braking. Hey, okay, Lincoln. I want to try it, but I don't know. Navigate to parking. So you can navigate 2 parking spots. Alright, now I want to mess around with the active park assist. We got some cars here. No. Alright, that's pretty cool. Like, alright, if you're in an area, okay, I like that. I can mess with that. Actually, I'm gonna change it to backing in spots. Shift to neutral. Hold park button. Oh, hold on. Hold park. What? What? Alright, so let me try this again. I haven't tried it. What am I doing wrong? Oh, I'm an idiot. Alright, stop. Let me try this again here. Ignore this, okay? This is trial and error. Because I've never done this before. You know what? I give up. Turning circle. Good. Alright. I need park assist to that. Good. Okay. Now, don't think this is me not being able to use technology, because that's precisely what it is. Don't think this is a fault of the car. It's a fault of me not being able to figure out basic instructions. Release steering wheel. Shift to neutral. Hold the park button. Going to do auto shifting. Oh, it's not sure what to think of itself. Obviously, I could do this better than the computer could, but I'm just trying it for the gimmick. If you're still watching this, nobody watches the end of the videos, so I'm probably not even going to edit this out. Come on, Lincoln! Yeah! Alright, on that note of me not being able to figure out basic technology, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.